Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually upgrade your central console in Heartopia. So you're just going to go here, and once you've reached that point. For instance, I need a few more points to reach 1,600. Once I reach that point, I'm able to go to level 4. You will need to just press on the arrow to upgrade it here. So for instance, you're level 1 and it says upgraded already. That means you just need to press on the arrow to upgrade it. Sorry I wasn't clear in my previous videos, but here's a clearer version. You just need to press the arrow to go to the next level. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!